Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cleaning the scratch with 70% isopropyl. This removes oils that block adhesion. Once done, inspect the depth. Surface scratches need buffing, light scratches require filler, deep ones may need layered repair. Make sure to gather dashboard-safe filler, a soft applicator, 400-800 grit sandpaper, and a microfiber. You should work in a shaded, dust-free area. Begin by lightly sanding the scratch edges to level the surface, so the filler bonds smoothly. You now apply a thin, even coat of dashboard filler into the scratch, pressing gently so it fills crevices. Once applied, let the product cure for the time on the label, usually 10 to 30 minutes, because proper cure prevents cracking. After curing, sand the patch starting with 400 grit to remove excess, then switch to 800 grit to blend edges. Make sure to sand lightly in circular motions. This produces a uniform surface and prepares the area for texture. You finish by restoring texture and color so the repair disappears. First, recreate the grain with a fine stippling sponge or a very gentle touch of a heat gun test off camera. Then apply vinyl dye or matched paint in thin coats, allowing each to dry. This prevents runs and unnatural sheen. If the filled area cracks or shrinks, roughen it lightly, reapply filler, and consider a primer layer before dye. If color looks off, blend edge to edge to avoid a visible patch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.